What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm 6-Star Driver, and on today's episode of my salvage rebuilds, I will be showing you some of the restore process of my 2015 Dodge Charger RT Road Track Edition. And if you're new to the channel, smash the subscribe button, also hit the like button, and if you really like my content, then you can share it with your friends and family. Let's go. I'm sure you guys noticed all the lights on the dash. Time to pull out the scanner and see what those codes are about. We have a left rear speed sensor and an evap code. Very minor issues that should be rectified shortly. When I got the car, it had some oversized 22-inch wheels on it. Don't get me wrong, they look great on the car, but they did more damages than good. Heavy rims not only ruin the car's suspension, but also reduces the torque and power. At worst, they can lead to early transmission failures. Luckily for me, this car only had suspension issues. The left rear wheel snapped, which caused the side airbag and the driver's side seat to pop. Simple fixes. Nothing me and my guy Mike can't handle.
Not supposed to be moving so.
Quite the multitasker, I should say. I'm trying to record and replace the control arm at the same time. I got the iPhone on one hand and the control arm in the other hand. Let's see how it goes. Like, share, and subscribe so you can see more videos. I have a few more cars to show you, better cars. I have a lot of things to show you guys, but you have to subscribe and like, comment so I can be found on YouTube. Thank you very much, guys. Keep supporting me, and we're gonna keep getting bigger. Thank you.